Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today the 3rd of May, and we'll continue to talk about the euro currency. Well, in general, first of all, I would like to show you a bit larger daily time frame picture, well, so you could see some long-term targets on the daily time frame. First of all, this is A, B, C bottom. This is, by the way, the nice Gartley 222 pattern, initial thrust, A, B, C retracement. Okay, so market hit 618, retraced 100%, retraced 1618 target stands right here around 149.85, almost, we can say almost 150. Okay, the more recent ABC pattern shows us a bit another target, a bit lower, ABC bottom 149.46, just below it. Also, take a look at that. This red dash line is the weekly pivot point for the current week. It's 149.64. So in general, we can say that nearest target of the possible move to the upside on the daily time frame stands at 149.50, 150 area roughly. It's right here. Okay. Now, let's take a look at a bit another daily time frame that shows this area, more details. Let's closer up look to this. Okay, so you can see this thrust. Look at this price action. What do we see here? First of all, this is the inside day to the Friday's trading session. Then we see high wave pattern, candlestick pattern. And now we see another absolutely not impressive trading session that could be inside day for this high wave trading, high wave candle. Okay, this price action looks for me is very similar to this price action, because you can see inside day, again inside day, again high wave, or not high wave but a bit larger trading range, and again inside day, and then collapse. So this is the way how market is building an energy. So we could expect some move to the upside or to the downside. We do not know where the direction will it be, but in general this is the early notification that possibly market is ready either to plunge or to explode to the upside. Well, now also you can see that market hasn't yet traded the weekly pivot point. It's around 147.30, and just below the market stands daily confidence support 146, 146.32, weekly pivot support 145.76. This is, by the way, also the monthly pivot 145.75, and you can see the daily trend will hold right till this area. So retracement to this area will not be something dramatic for the current markets, be just a retracement according to the long-term bullish bias. Okay, but from the other point of view, you can see that market is not at the overbought area. Daily overbought stands 150.09 for today trading session, high above the market, and monthly overbought, as we discussed in the weekly research, stands around 149.30. So market hasn't hit the monthly and daily overbought yet, so it has enough room to thrust to the upside and accomplished this target, accomplished 150 target roughly. Okay, so how we could answer on this question? Will it be moved to the upside or to the downside? Of course, we should reduce our time frame, drop our time frame, and look at the inside intraday charts. Okay, this is for our chart. What we see here, this is ABC pattern that we have discussed. Also, this Gartley 222. Okay, the target of this pattern stands 149.21. Market hasn't yet hit it, and this is very close to the 4-hour level of overbought. This is not so significant as on the daily and higher time frames, but still this also could add some resistance or support right here. Here we see some pattern that usually calls as the broadening top, and usually this is the reversal pattern. Although it's not very perfect, it looks like it's a bit skewed, because we can see that this high should be higher than this, and this in turn higher than previous one. Also about the tops, bottoms, this holds, but here you can see that a bit shallower bottom that hasn't even reached this level. Well, but in general, I suppose that it could work as the broadening top and could be the reversal pattern. The point of failure of this pattern, the high of the fifth point of this first point, second, third, fourth, and fifth. If market will take this high and move to the upside, then possibly market will continue to move to the upside. If in turn market will not reach this area and will stop at some resistance from this small swing to the downside and turns to the downside, then we can expect some retracement to the downside. How deep it will be, who knows? Maybe it will stop here, or maybe market will reach this area of support, confidence support, or even the daily weekly pivot support 1, monthly pivot point. I do not know, but in general the direction of the breakout of this pattern will help us to estimate where market will move, to the upside or to the downside. Now a couple of words about the supports on 4-hour chart. First of all, this first support, this is weekly pivot point, and for our confidence support 147.18, 147.29. Also this 4-hour oversold, so I think that market it will be very hard to market to break it during today's trading session to the downside. Just below the market, another confidence support 146.18, 146.32. Okay, so this is another confidence support. Now let's talk about the trading of this broadening top pattern details on the hourly chart. This is hourly chart. You can see here what I talked about. Look at this recent swing to the downside. Usually when the market intends to break the broadening top to the downside, it stops around 618, 786 or 88 resistance of the recent swing to the downside. That's why we should expect, if market will act in this way, then possibly we even could see this butterfly sale pattern. Okay, this could potentially could work during the breakout, and the initial target will be around 147.10, 147.20 area. It's right here. So dropping time frame to the 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, and we'll see some reversal patterns on this from one of these areas, then possibly we could expect some breakout to the downside, and our retracement on the daily time frame could be deeper. If market will take out these highs, okay, then possibly we could expect a further move to the upside. Then possibly market will intend to accomplish the 150, 149.50 area targets. Trading this pattern could give us the possibility to place very tight and reasonable stop. If we see some sell signals on the lower time frames right here, we could place stops just above this high, and it will be reasonable. First of all, because if market will continue move to the upside, this potential butterfly will be erased, and if market will continue move to the upside and take out these highs, okay, it will erase this reversal quality of this broadening top pattern. Okay, in this case we should expect a further move to the upside. So that's my view on the current situation. In general, on the daily time frame, you see that market is building in energy and ready to show some explosive moves to the upside or to the downside. And our attention should be particularly focused on this broadening top pattern. If market will stop on some retracement level from this swing and accelerates to the downside, then breakout will be to the downside, and you can enter on the short side with placing stop somewhere right here. If market will take out these highs, then possibly it intends to accomplish the daily targets around 149.50, 150 area roughly.